First, assemble the base. Simply insert the legs and the upright arm so the snap buttons lock into place. Screw together the top and bottom sections of the flexible rod. A third middle rod section can be added, but the two-rod setup is most widely used. Slide the legs of the base beneath the mattress at the top, corner, or side. Place the base of the flexible rod in the sleeve at the top of the upright arm. Attach the CPAP hose to the rod, beginning with the top clip, so the mask is resting where your face will be. Connect the remaining hose using the remaining clips. Adjust the clip positions so the hose falls straight down to the mask without slack in the hose. Adjust the bottom clip so the hose reaches the CPAP machine. When not in use, disconnect the center clip and re-clip it near the mask to keep it safe, clean, and out of the way. When set properly, the flexible rod will continually turn and bend to follow your movements while you sleep and gently deliver just the right amount of CPAP hose you need all night long. Adding the HoZer to completely manage and precisely deliver your CPAP hose will help you stay sound asleep using CPAP. No rolling over onto your CPAP hose. No waking up in the middle of a wrestling match with your CPAP hose. No nightly CPAP mask failures from being pulled on and dislodged by a tangled CPAP hose. With the HoZer, when you're asleep, you can move freely without ever worrying about the CPAP hose. In fact, you won't even know you have a CPAP hose. The HoZer, not a CPAP accessory, it's a CPAP necessity.